Sadika! Welcome back to my channel. This is your friend Jacka Navarro, and for today's video, I'm a little excited, no little, super excited because this would be my first ever unboxing video ng iPhone because it's the first time that I will be owning an iPhone kasi I've been an Android user for a very long time. Actually, Android user ako all throughout kasi I enjoyed yung mga features ng Android and at the same time natitweak ko yung mga icons and also mas cheaper siya ng konti compared to iPhone. And kailangan ko talaga ng extra phone for personal use and for business use. So, yun. And deserve ko naman siguro to. So, naghahanap tayo ng dahilan para i-justify yung pagbili ng iPhone. So, comment down below kung ganyan din kayo. So, ito na nga. Ready na tayong i-unbox ang iPhone 14 Pro. So, let's go! OMG. Button na. Ayun na. Japanese. Chinese. Oh.
Hi Beshi! So on this part, sineset up lang natin yung face recognition. So ito palang iPhone 14 Pro. Meron siyang facial recognition for pag naka-eyeglasses ka, tapos naka-mask ka. So maraming beses ka mag-scan.
There you have it mga Beshi. Thank you so much for joining me on this unboxing. And yan, let's just work hard para ma-achieve natin ang mga goals natin in life. And thank you for your support. Huwag niyong skip yung ad para may pambayad tayo. Charot. Thank you everybody for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And I will see you on our next vlog. Thank you everybody. Sadika!